Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my Christmas decor video, just showing you guys a little bit of what I like in my house during the Christmas holiday. If you love Christmas videos or just the Christmas holiday, please give this video a thumbs up. And so let's get started. The first thing I like to do when decorating is just to clear off all of the surfaces, because that gives me a nice view of what I want and where I want it versus having to see around the mess. So I'm just going to go in with my Mrs. Meyer's all surface cleaner, and this is their holiday scent and I really love it. I get my stuff from the Grove Collaborative, so I would leave it down below if you guys want to check them out or don't know what they are. I will leave that down below so you can check it out. So I'm just cleaning off all of my hard surfaces, and then I'm going to start doing a little decorating. So in the kitchen, I tend to like it minimal because this is a heavily used area of my house, and also, you know, with the little girls, they touch everything or they're just super interested in everything. So I like to keep it minimal, yet I don't want to sacrifice decorating the kitchen, so I do just do a minimal touch. And I like something in the center of the island, and this little basket I got from Home Goods, and I love it because it's got the perfect touch of gold that's perfect for my house. And I also just put in some potpourri, some acorn potpourri, and it has like the cinnamon scent, and I really love that for warming up the space around you. Now I'm just going to clean off my open shelves and take off the decor that was already on there. And then I'm just going to dust it really fast because open shelves do collect a lot of dust. Then I'm placing this gorgeous little Santa Claus that I picked up last year, and he has the cutest little fur coat and I absolutely love him. His outfit matches my home perfect. And also I placed a little tree right next to him that lights up with it. It has little fairy lights, so it's a little pop of light up there. And then I kept the decor of the kitchen really simple, and I just added a few Christmas elements here and there, keeping it with the decor I already had because it just goes perfect with the warm tones. If you don't have a lot of space in your kitchen to add Christmas decorations, you can just swap out your towels and add a towel that has a little bit of a holiday flair to it, and that is a really simple, quick tip. Okay, so it's my mantle time, and guys, this is my absolute favorite place in the whole entire house. I love to light my fireplace, and you will see that if you've been following me on Instagram, then you have seen me show you photos of my fireplace lit. It is my absolute favorite thing about it being winter time. Other than that, I can really do without winter. So this is how I decorated it at first, but being a true Libra, I do switch it later on. So this was option one, I guess, and I laid the garland going over towards one side, towards the wall, because on this other side I have a window. I wanted to put my Christmas tree there, and then I end up changing my mind completely with a lot of elements in this decor option one. So where I'm hanging my stockings, you can see it says Merry, and that is in silver, and it is a color that I was not going with this season, so I do change it out for more of a natural earthy toned stocking holder. And also I don't use the mirror in the background, I change it up a bit. So I ended up putting my Christmas tree by the wall, therefore it does not cover the light that's coming from the window. And also my fireplace is now active. We put the doors up so we were able to light a fire, and instead of having a mirror, I put this picture there, and I absolutely love how that looks. And as you can see, I went with a wooden stocking holder, which really looks beautiful. Here is my tablescape. Now I always do something like this where I go and I pick something that looks really natural, as if I picked it from my backyard. So this is how I came up with the Christmas look. As you can see, it adds a lot of warmth, yet it keeps the area nice and bright. So another quick tip for me is, if you don't have a lot of space to decorate, candles add a lot of warmth because of the fire element, and also just the scent that you can pick is perfect for the holidays. Now we're off to Sophia's room, and this is the first time I'm decorating her bedroom, and she absolutely loved it. So guys, this is how I decorated a very little girl's room, and she has not touched her little Christmas tree. So first we're just going to clean up the space because it was time for me to wash her sheets. So I figured I'd show you guys her little bedroom. And yeah, so this is Sophia's room. It's so cute. She's got a big girl bed. So I picked up this tinsel tree from Target for $10, and I'm just going to add these little ornaments and these tiny little ornaments here. And how cute is this little tree skirt? I absolutely think this is so beautiful. Every year I'll just add more ornaments to decorate her tree, but I thought this was a great start, and everything was super affordable, and maybe at the end of the season I'll pick up some more things, but for now this was great. So I am so chatty in this video. I'm just going to wrap some fairy lights for you guys and add some ornaments. So I figured you guys can just watch the rest of this without me chatting in your ear. In every single space, after you do any kind of Christmas decor, there is vacuuming involved. So I'm just going to pass my vacuum over on her carpet and also the wood floors. Let me know down below if you vacuum wood floors. I just find it to be a lot easier than sweeping. So here is the finished look in Sophia's room, and I must let you guys know she was so thrilled. And also what I love about this Christmas tree is that it's on a timer, so it acts as a night light as well, and then it shuts off in the middle of the night when she's nice and sound asleep. Okay, so the very last thing I decided to do on this day was fluff out my Christmas tree and get it ready for the ornaments the next day. And fluffing is an art. It takes me a long time to fluff it out. I like my tree to almost look like I just took it from outside. However, I don't feel comfortable chopping a tree down every single year just to decorate. I mean, if that is your thing, that is your thing. It is not mine. I do hang little scented candles, or not candles, but little wax things inside the tree, and it gives off a nice realistic scent. So that is how I work around that. And also I don't have to worry about watering or any of that. So yeah, I just take my time fluffing it. That is the one thing that is absolutely necessary, because I hate when you can see through the tree. So I do my best to take my time and add each piece after the first piece is fluffed out to my content. Now it's the next day, so I'm just going to wrap some mesh ribbon around the tree. Some people go down. I like to just go around, and I don't decorate the back of my tree ever, unless it was to be in front of the window, and if I did that, it would take up a lot of necessary space for walking. So I put my tree off into a corner, and I never decorate the back of it. So every few inches I just pinch the mesh ribbon with the actual tree, and it stays in place. After adding my ribbon, I go with ornaments, and I place my ornaments from larger ornaments to smallest, so that I get the big ones out of the way, and then I use the small ones as fillers. So I always, well, this is my second year using this Santa Claus. It looks like he's stuck in your tree, and I absolutely think that's so cute for the kids. The one by my fireplace is more of a simple grown-up Christmas tree, and this one I like it to have a little bit more playful elements for the kids to see. Yeah, a lot of the ornaments that I do have here are keepsake ornaments. So every single one of my children's birth year, my wedding birth year, the year we bought our house, our engagement stuff, there's a lot of like happy moments. So whenever you peep them in the tree, they kind of give you a reason to smile. So this is a very happy, cheery tree. And this is the completed tree look. This is also the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And let me know if you go with the color scheme, or if you're just a very colorful kind of Christmas decorator. Let me know in the comments down below. And till my next video, stay beautiful and Merry Christmas.